Hi, this is Tom Blodgett from Jende Industries, and today I want to do something a little bit different with the Maestro Wu knives. I've got a G5. We've been getting a lot of interest in the G5 fish knives, so today I want to just go a little bit more in depth about it, not so much the sharpening. We can see that. I'll put a link to the sharpening of the G5 above here, but I want to show just like a little cut test and how it works and about how this knife is used. What I've got here are two of the fish knives that we see. I've got a Maestro Wu G6 Yanagi, which is what most people associate with a fish knife, and that's for slicing, very thin, or making your sushi and sashimi and things like that. You can even use it for cutting the larger fish. They make big ones as well. So this is generally what we see when we see like a Japanese style. It's a single bevel and hollow ground on the back. However, for more of the fishmongers in the markets, this is more utilitarian because some of the fish get really big as well. So we're not slicing through as much as we're going to cut in and roll through. So this is more like a cleaver where you can whack it in, or they take a mallet sometimes and drive it through, and they literally put it into the fish and roll it through. So you get about the same distance as you would on a, so this is a 300 mil blade. So when you're rolling this is 20 centimeters. So yeah, you're getting about 20 out of that. So you're getting the same distance, but that roll is what gives you like an ulu action. You're getting the slice action on the roll, versus where on a Yanagi you'd have to actually pull through everywhere. So it's a slightly different thing. Again, this is more traditional markets here in Asia that will use this kind of knife. I'm going to show you how this cuts through in just a second. So I've got a stack of papers here. This is from our shipping labels and whatnot. That is approximately 3.5 mils thick. So it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. So you can see here, it's not exactly a phone book, but it's the kind of idea. So if we were to take a sashimi knife, we would actually have to slice through all of these layers, and it's not ideal because you don't have the same leverage as you would with this G5. So to show that, pop that in. I'm just going to put some pressure here on my hand and just roll through it. So here, down, and it's a paper cutter, slicer. So, even the last one. So that's how it rolls through. So you don't need nearly as much pull through to go on a sashimi. You would have to pull through a really long distance to get that same amount of cut. So again, pop it in. I'm just rolling it in, and it's just like a paper cutter. So with one hand, I don't think I could do all the way through this, to be honest. However, even just with one hand, actually I got through most of it. So drop it in, roll through, and you're cutting deep into the fish each time. So lastly, to get it in, it's not just to roll in. Sometimes, like I said, they take a mallet and hit it in, but this also is like a cleaver. So you can still chop straight through. So this is still effective that way, and then come in and make your roll. So once again, thank you for watching our videos. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. I'll put a button here. And I'll put some other videos for Maestro Wu knives up over here. And please, again, like and subscribe so we keep bringing you some videos. Anything you want to see, let us know. And we look forward to the next video. Thank you.